Hello and welcome to my channel. In a steel plant there is an important department called the rolling mill. In this section, hot or cold metal is passed through rollers to shape and size it accurately. These rollers are driven by motors connected through gearboxes that control their speed and torque. In this video, we will break down how to calculate the speed of a roller in meters per second. This is a crucial calculation in many industrial applications, and by the end of this tutorial, you will be able to do it yourself. Let's get started. First, let's look at the information we have. We have the motor speed N1, which is 718 revolutions per minute. We also have the gear ratio of 35.260 and the roller's diameter, which is 437 millimeters. Our goal is to determine two things. First, the speed of the roller in RPM, which we will call N2, and second, its speed in meters per second. To find our answers, we will follow a two-step process. Step 1. Calculate the roller's speed in RPM, that is denoted by N2. The gear ratio is the ratio of the input speed to the output speed. In our case, the input speed is the motor speed N1 and the output speed is the roller speed N2. The formula is gear ratio is equal to N1 by N2. To find the roller speed N2, we can rearrange this formula to N2 is equal to N1 by gear ratio. Plugging in our numbers, we get N2 is equal to 718 by 35.260, which is equal to 20.36 rpm. So the roller is spinning at 20.36 revolutions per minute. Now coming to step 2. Convert roller speed to meters per second (MPS). Now that we have the roller speed in RPM, we can find its linear speed in meters per second. To do this, we will use the following formula. Speed MPS is equal to Y into D into N2 divided by 60 into 1000. Here is a quick breakdown of this formula. We multiply the roller speed N2 by the circumference of the roller pi d to find the total distance traveled in 1 minute. We then divide by 60 to convert the speed from minutes to seconds. Finally, we divide by 1000 to convert the diameter from millimeters to meters. Bringing it all together, now let's plug our values into the final formula. Speed of roller in MPS is equal to 3.14 into 437 into 718 divided by 60 into 1000 into 35.26. This simplifies to speed of roller in MPS is equal to 0.466. Now the speed of roller is 0.466 meters per second. Now coming to the conclusion. So to recap, we started with the motor speed, gear ratio and the roller diameter. We first calculate the roller speed in RPM and then used that to find the linear speed in meters per second. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more engineering tutorials. Thanks for watching.